Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G without power button. Okay, without using this power button, how you can do switching off your phone. So okay, we will see it now. Okay, actually we will press this side key. Okay, side key, long pressing this side key will give the power off menu, and you will click on power off the soft key here. Okay, but without this power button, how you can switch off? Okay, let's see. Just go to the notification area and swipe down again. Okay, see here, first you swipe single, then again swipe. Okay, double swipe in the notification area, and you will find one icon called this power icon. Okay, just click on it and you will have the power off menu, and just click on the power off, again click on power off. Okay, now your phone will be switched off. So without using power button, you can use soft key available in the screen. Okay, that soft key is available, that is located in the notification panel, that is near battery icon. It will be available. Okay, just you have to swipe 2 times in the notification area. Okay, from top to bottom you have to swipe 2 times, and you will get that icon that is called power icon, and just click on it and you will get to power off menu, and there you can just click on power off, and again you have to click on power off, and your phone will be switched off. Okay, so in this way you can easily switch off or power off your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G without using power button in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.